Hello everybody and welcome back. This is a bonus episode. As you watched in the previous lectures, we focused on the theoretical function of all audio effects and we didn't use them and didn't observe the last export. So in this video I want to add 3 audio effects and customize them for reaching to the better performance in creating a project and using the effects. Okay, now I want to randomly choose some effects for adding to my song here. And from the effect panel here, I choose the audio effects folder and expand it. And now the first effect, I want to use bandpass. Bandpass has a significant effect to my audio. I add it here, and this is the bandpass in the effect control panel. Okay, now before watching the influence of the effect, I unchecked it and now play my audio. This is it. And this is with a bandpass effect. This is the effect. Okay, now I want to check the bypass. This is difference. And now I want to change the center in hertz, for example, to this one, and uncheck the bypass. No more. No, this is it. And the Q factor. This is it. This is the customization of the bandpass effect to my audio. Okay, now I want to collapse it and uncheck the bandpass. Now I want to add another effect to my audio. For example, the Convolution Reverb is great. Okay, now I add it. This is it. And now I want to test the effect. Yeah, that's it. You can feel the reverb in my audio. This is the previous one. After adding. That's the difference. And now I want to custom some of the individual parameters here. I want to decrease the mix. Here. You can feel the differences. Okay, now I want to uncheck the Convolution Reverb. And now the last effect is delay. I choose it here. I uncheck the Convolution Reverb and now add delay to my audio. Okay, it has a horrible effect in my sound. I play it. Yeah, you can see the delay. And I want to increase the time of the delay to 2 seconds. Whoa, it's confusing. And I want to reduce it and increase the feedback. Oh, that's very bad. Actually, the delay is not used in a song. I prefer to use it in, for example, in the audio of a narrator.